How to manage your time on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the your time on Facebook. Okay, you can tap this. Here in your time on Facebook, you can see the manage your time. And you can see here these tools. Okay, you can tap the tools. And now you can set or manage your time on Facebook. So the quit mode. Mute most push notification and limit notification dots. The next time you open the app on this device, you get a reminder that quit mode is on. So you can turn on or off the quit mode by switching on or off the switch button on the right side. So for example, I turn on the quit mode and you can set the day. So for example, 3 days, 4 hours, and 25 minutes. And tap the apply button if you set the quit mode. And okay guys, another is the schedule quit mode. So you can schedule this by switching on the switch button on the right side and tap the add schedule. So if you add schedule, okay, here your quit mode schedule, select a start time and day or days of the week for quit mode. This schedule will be continue until you turn it off. So okay guys, if the quit mode is on, you can set the start time and the end time. So for example, I change into 7 p.m. Tap the apply button to change. And the end time is 11 a.m. Tap the apply button to change. And also you can set the days. So for example, I set into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the Sunday is not included. And okay guys, we have successfully scheduled the quit mode. And here the another schedule. So if you want to remove the schedule, tap the schedule. So for example, I remove this and tap the delete button below to delete this schedule. And that's it, okay, for this quit mode. And also you can set the daily time reminder. So get a reminder after you use Facebook for the amount of time you choose. So you can turn on or off the daily time reminder. So for example, I turn on the daily time reminder into 1 hour and 5 minutes. And tap the set reminder button below to save. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully managed your time on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.